Shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and once again guys, dito tayo sa office and we will be doing the unboxing. So my birthday is fast approaching guys, and then I invited some of my friends, but may mga friends ako guys na dati ko mga estudyante, turns to my friend, at hindi sila pwede maka-join kasi they're busy their work at ngayon lang sila pwedeng lumabas. So na-shock ako guys, bumisita sila, and you know what they do? Tadang! So, let's do the unboxing guys. Of course, perfume from Coral Perfume, and then what we call this one. So, ayan. Gravity 100 ml. So hindi na natin to siya buksan guys. And then the other one is we have here so Lee Cooper, and then what's Lee Cooper's in so Lee Cooper London. So let's try to open. Saan ba ito nila? Wow! My God! Tadang! So, Relo. Oh my God! So really love it, very unique. Wala pa ako nito na piece. So check natin. So kailangan nating magpaputol. So, dalawa dito, isa sa kabila. So dapat meron tong ano. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much sa present. Super metal, water resistance, ATM, Beverly Copper, and God, thank you so much. This is one of my collections guys, added to my collections kasi mahilig ako sa watch. Ito din guys is a gift from a friend, but anyway, let's go to the unboxing. Thank you so much. Oh, grabe talaga, di ba? So I love it. Thank you so much, Offer. Ayan. Once again, thank you so much. This is Pure Stone Heart, and thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe and share our videos, guys. Thank you. I spread love and positivity.